Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Happy Monday. So in this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin's rise. So we've come back from, the negatives from last week and the week before that. Bitcoin has come back with a pretty decent rally, and we're going to look at some technicals behind that. Are we going to see a sustained rally here, or are we going to see a little bit of a pullback? So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. And you're going to say, Foxy, it's in a pullback right now. Well, what I mean is, are we going to see a little bit of an extended pullback, or are we going to see, a little bit of a pullback and then immediately kind of rebound from there? So let's just kind of have a look at the overall consensus of what's going on with Bitcoin, and we'll kind of decide from there. So on the 1 hour chart, the peak at 68.46 followed by a downtrend correction. That's what we did see. Lower highs and lower lows pointing to a short-term downtrend. So that basically means that the highs are getting lower. So it's kind of going like this right now. So there's lower volume on both upticks and downticks, indicating market consolidation or indecision. So it's just kind of in a cool-off phase, in my opinion. Neither the bulls or the bears are really in control right now. They're not really driving the price down overly, but they're also, the price isn't moving up either. So it's just kind of in limbo right now. On the 4 hour chart, we're showing a more pronounced bullish movement leading up to the peak of 68.46. Then a mild correction occurred without a significant drop, maintaining higher lows. So the price is consolidating around the 67 to 67.5 range, with lower volume during consolidation, suggesting the market might be preparing for the next significant move. So we're just kind of seeing a bit of a pause, kind of, everybody's kind of gathering their thoughts, so to speak, and kind of figuring out where things are headed from here. Because we do have a number of things coming up. We have the Ethereum ETF dropping tomorrow. We also have, we're talks, Fed's in talks of a potential rate cut. Obviously, we don't know what's going to happen there, but people are trying to kind of gauge the feel of what's going to happen. The daily chart is showing an overall bullish trend. Recent patterns indicate consolidation near the top, suggesting a potential pause in the uptrend. Oscillator readings are showing a mixed sentiment, with the RSI is neutral right now at 65. MACD suggests a bullish indicator at 1369. There's a couple of other technical indicators that are neutral, but moving averages on various time frames are consistently indicating a buying sentiment. So that is also good. This kind of gives you both the bull and the bear verdict, kind of, how it can kind of go either way. But given the alignment of multiple moving averages indicating a strong buying trend and the overall bullish trend observed on the daily chart, the broader outlook for Bitcoin remains positive. So what my take from this analysis is that short term, we could be in a bit of a corrective phase, consolidation, not corrective, sorry, and more of a consolidation phase. A lot of times when we see things shoot up, which we did last week with Bitcoin's recovery there, things shot up very, very quickly. And once that happens, you get a little bit of a cool off phase where things come down just a little bit and then they kind of go sideways. It kind of builds, in a way, it builds momentum. The longer that we go sideways, the more strong a movement is at the end of that consolidation. It could be up and it could be down, right? So short-term indicators such as the 1 hour chart are showing lower highs and lows suggest caution. So the mixed signals are coming from oscillators, and our recent consolidation patterns could indicate the potential for a downward correction. So that is, in the potential as well. Like I mentioned, at the end of consolidation, it could really kind of go either way. I know that is not a direct indication of where we are headed, but the overall consensus is that Bitcoin is still looking fairly strong in the long-term outlook. So that's what I'm concerned about. I'm not as concerned about there's the short term, unless you're day trading, swing trading, that kind of thing, which I do occasionally. You guys probably see me post on Twitter about, or on X, sorry, about I do a little bit of swing trading on Mergex. I don't hold very long. It's not even swing trade. It's a little bit more of day trading, I guess. But when I see strong movements in Bitcoin, I'll put in a buy order or whatever, and do a little bit of leverage trading and that sort of thing. And if you're interested, I do have a link down below for Mergex. But overall, things are looking fairly decent for Bitcoin right now. I think, if we can get up to that 70K range, which we were very close to kind of getting there yesterday, we could potentially see another all-time high. It's not that far away. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.